That's right. But it has been an absolutely gorgeous day. And tomorrow's going to be really nice, too.
Good.
It's not going to be as warm as today, but I mean, we're going to have to make do with 60s, y'all, for the last day of February. I mean, that's living right. And then it's going to get cold in a hurry on Sunday. Sunday is our day of colder changes and wetter changes, and also the potential of some light wintry precipitation as well. I think the peak time for that, the earliest is the afternoon, but I'm really leaning towards the evening and the night. As I just don't think the temperatures are going to be cold enough Saturday afternoon for ice or snow to accumulate. You know, you might get snow to fall, or you might get some little sleet pellets to fall, but it's going to be tough to get it to accumulate with temperatures above freezing, and the ground is going to be way above freezing leading up to this event on Sunday. I mean, it's in the 70s, almost 80 degrees right now, for crying out loud. Next week, the pattern does remain active. Our focus shifts from wintry precipitation to typical spring-like precipitation. That's going to be rain and thunderstorms. You know, there's several days next week that are standout days for rain and thunderstorms, Tuesday and Wednesday. Right now, the severe potential for our area in Kansas and Missouri is low, but we're going to monitor the severe potential closely. If it looks like that severe risk is going to increase, we'll upgrade to an alert day so that you know immediately, hey, that's a day that I really got to pay attention to on the 9-day forecast. We're not there yet. 12-hour forecast for the rest of your evening, really nice. 50s and 60s for late February, just a wonderful evening. And tomorrow will be warm, sunny, dry, maybe a little lower fire danger because relative humidity should start to increase late in the day ahead of Sunday's storm. Now, Sunday morning, 27, so it's below freezing, but the moisture doesn't arrive until noon, and by then, a lot of the temperatures are above freezing. Case in point, I show a future scan here as forecast of the radar. This is noon on Sunday. You know, a lot of that moisture hasn't even started to overspread eastern Kansas and western Missouri, but from noon to 6 o'clock in the evening on Sunday, that's when the moisture moves through, and there will be some snow, sleet, freezing rain, and then rain. It looks like I-70 is going to be the dividing line for that. Sunday night ending early Monday morning. So there could be a few leftover slick spots Monday morning. That's the million-dollar question at this point is, you know, how is what falls Sunday evening and Sunday night going to impact Monday morning's drive when the temperatures drop below freezing? There is a chance of rain showers Monday evening and Monday night, 41 degrees, and then Tuesday, Wednesday are impact days. Bouts of rain and thunderstorms are likely on both days. As I mentioned earlier, the severe threat for now is very low. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, rain and thunderstorm chances. This could be a really rainy week with several inches of rain between Tuesday and Saturday. Let me bring you back to our impact day on Sunday. Let's talk freezing rain first. So that's liquid rain that falls and then freezes and becomes ice. This is the potential for 1/100th of an inch or a glaze. It's a low chance here across Interstate 70. That's going to be the dividing line or the transition zone between snow to the north and rain to the south. That could shift around some. And that's why the chance of freezing rain is much lower for northern Missouri, because it's going to be cold enough for snow. This is at 6 o'clock in the evening. We might get a few snowflakes here at I-70, but a lot of the snow accumulation and ice accumulation for that matter is going to be after 6 o'clock in the evening to Sunday night. So look at how some of that snow starts to add up Sunday night, ending by Monday morning, 1 to 2 inches along and north of 36 Highway here in Kansas City, less than an inch of snow.